All right, here we have number 7. You're using the y-intercept and the coefficient to match the equation with the graph. Okay, don't freak out, okay? If you notice that here h is equal to 0 and your k here is equal to -3. So technically the vertex here actually becomes the y-intercept as 0, -3. The only one that is that one is this one, 0, -3. Also this one at 0, -3, but also this one at 0, -3. So what you need to look at is the a value. A is 4. So this means it opens up and it is very tall. That one is only that one. That's the only one that has that vertex and opens up really tall. The next one, this one looks like a equals to 1, 4. So this is up and wide. Then we can get the vertex. H is equal to 0. K is equal to -3. The vertex here is the point 0, -3. Which one of those has that trait? Let's see. This one. Up and wide. Which one's up and wide? This one's up and wide. Next, let's take a look. This is A. A equals to 4. This is up and wide because the A is bigger than 1. H is equal to 0. K is equal to 3. So the vertex is the point 0, 3. Which one is that one? Well, up and not up and wide. It's 1. It's bigger than 1, so it is up and tall. That one is, let's see, the first one, that is up and tall. Last one, A is equal to negative. So this is flip. Okay, and then K equals to -3. The H equals to 0. So the vertex would be the point 0, -3. The only one left with that trait, it is the third one. There you go.